Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm your hostess, Olivia Radcliffe, and welcome to the Polymer Dating Game. The game show where one lonely electron will try to determine which eligible polymer will be the best fit for him. Will it be polymer number 1, polyethylene, polymer number 2, polystyrene, or polymer number 3, polytetrafluoroethylene, known as PTFE to her friends? Let's find out.
Well, I'm excited to be here. I have to admit, on my way over to E-Beam Services Studios, I was a little down. I was a little negative. But now that I'm here, I am amped up and energized. So, polymer number 1. First question, what are you looking for in a relationship?
Well, Mr. Electron, I'm looking for someone who's going to help me break loose of the weak bonds in my life so that I can make new connections and become stronger as an individual.
Nice answer. Polymer number 2. Same question.
Not much.
Really? You're not looking for anything in a relationship?
No. I'm kind of stuck in my ways.
There's nothing I can do to help you?
Maybe. Potentially. But it would take a lot of work.
Okay. Polymer number 3. What are you looking for in a relationship?
Honestly, relationships tear me apart! Literally! I can't handle this!
Okay then. I think polymer number 3, if we had a relationship, I think it would clearly degrade very rapidly. So, sorry polymer number 3, but bye!
Oh!
Okay. Polymer number 2. I think you and I could get along just fine in a relationship. However, I think it would be fairly static. Things really wouldn't change much. So, I'm sorry, but bye. Polymer number 1. I think you and I could have a fantastic relationship. I think I could really help you branch out. I even think I could help you grow stronger as an individual.
Well, there you have it, folks. Polytetrafluoroethylene clearly degrades when exposed to electrons. Polystyrene is radiation resistant, and polyethylene is a great fit for electrons. Thank you for joining us, and tune in next time.